Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna configure troubleshooting either channel, technology or protocol. This is a topology that I will use. In this topology we have two switches, which is switch 1 and switch 2, and 4 ports connected between two switches. When you're using a Cisco switch, automatically STP enabling on a switch. In this topology STP also enable, and one switch is the root switch and the other is non-root switch. Let's see which one is the root switch. In enable mode, show spanning tree. As you see, the switch 1 is the root switch and all connected ports are the forwarding state. And switch 2, show spanning tree. Switch 2 is non-root switch, and see all connected ports in the blocking state except one port. Therefore, the switch device cannot use port redundancy and fast speed when STP is enabled. For this reason, EtherChannel provides a way to prevent the need for spanning tree protocol. EtherChannel technology enables you to bundle multiple physical interfaces into one logical channel to increase the bandwidth. It means when you configure EtherChannel, all connected ports in switch 2 will be forwarding data and remove the block state. It means STP sees the bundle of links as a single interface. Also, STP convergence does not have to occur. This makes much better use of available bandwidth while reducing the number of times STP must converge. First, specify the interfaces that you want to bundle together in one link by using the interface range. Choose the interfaces that you want to bundle. Create a port channel by using the channel group identifier and mode, for example, mode on common. An identifier for this iOS can be any number between 1 to 255 and does not have to match the other switch. The mode is either on or one of the port aggregation protocol or link aggregation control protocol modes. As I said in previous video, port aggregation protocol use desirable and R2 mode, and link aggregation control protocol use active and passive mode. Enter interface configuration mode for the new port channel with the interface port channel identifier command. Identifier is the same number used with the channel group command. Configure the trunking and VLAN settings. For example, the native VLAN and the allowed VLANs must be the same between two switches. Okay, let's do the configuration. In switch 1, in enable mode, type show interface status. See, right now the interface Ethernet 0/0 up to 3 is connected to the switch 2, and these ports are in trunk mode, and we want to bundle these 4 ports as one channel. And Ethernet 1/0 is access port, it is belong to VLAN 10. Go to in global config mode and type interface range Ethernet 0/0 up to 3, channel group, type your identifier, for example channel group 5, mode on. Now we create a port channel. Let's see. In enable mode, show EtherChannel. See, EtherChannel group 5 and 4 ports are bundled as a channel. In global config mode, interface port channel 5, switch port mode trunk. See the error? We should change the encapsulation type, for example .1q. Switch port mode trunk encapsulation .1q and switch port mode trunk switch port trunk native VLAN 99 switch port trunk 11 VLAN 99, 20, 10 and 1, and also do it for switch 2. In global config mode, interface range Ethernet 0/0 up to 3, channel group 5, mode on, exit, interface port channel 5, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99, switch port trunk 11 VLAN 99, 20, 10 and 1. Now let's see the spanning tree in switch 2. As you see all these 4 ports in forwarding state, either channel not need to spanning tree and enable forwarding state to all ports. To verify the configuration, use the show running configuration. To get an overall summary of the EtherChannel configuration, use the show EtherChannel summary command. And to verify the operational states of a specific interface in the EtherChannel bundle, use the show interface switch port command. For troubleshooting EtherChannel, first, all interfaces within an EtherChannel must have the same configuration, like same speed and same duplex. Specify native and 11 VLANs on trunk ports and access VLAN on access ports. Assign all ports in the EtherChannel to the same VLAN or configure them as a trunks. Ports with different native VLAN cannot form an EtherChannel. When configuring a trunk on an EtherChannel, verify the trunking mode on the EtherChannel. Verify that the trunking configuration is the same on all interfaces. An EtherChannel supports the same allowed range of VLANs on all the ports. If the allowed range of VLAN is not the same, the ports do not form an EtherChannel. The dynamic negotiation option for port aggregation and link aggregation must be compatibly configured on both ends of the EtherChannel. Configuring the on keyword on one switch and desirable, auto, active or passive on the other switch. Remember, the on keyword does not enable port aggregation or link aggregation protocol. Both switches should be configured on one of the acceptable port aggregation modes or link aggregation control protocol modes. Well, that is all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.